Hello everyone, we are at the second India Auto Show, the founder of EV Dunya. So Arjun, hi. So today Arjun is going to tell us a few things about EV Dunya. What is the reason behind starting this company? What are his thoughts? What are the future plans and everything? So Arjun, can you tell our viewers a bit about EV Dunya? How was it started?
EV Dunya, as you know, is a website and platform where you will get to see all the updates, news, articles related to EV industry. So last year when I was searching for information related to EV industry, what I got was the information was very much scattered, and I didn't got any reliable sources. So the thought came in my mind of starting a platform and where I will get all the information, all the factual data at one place. So that's why EV Dunya came into my mind. Then we started with a small blog website. Then we introduced reviews, videos. We started taking business B2B acquisitions as well for companies who want to do partnerships and associations with us.
Right. Can you tell what all services you provide along with posting articles and all?
So we provide services like lead generation for businesses. We do brand promotions and advertisement on our websites. We also do EV consultation to companies or to people who are interested to start their own charging stations. We assist companies or people in setting up their charging infrastructure or charging setup in all over the India.
So now you've spoken about EV Dunya. Can you also tell our viewers about what the future looks like for EV Dunya? What are your plans in the near future?
So as of now, at EV Dunya, we have around 2 lakh plus annual visitors, organic visitors on our website. And I'm proud to say that we have a good returning ratio as well, and 91% of them are returning organic users. So we don't do any kind of paid promotions as well.
That's nice. Can you also tell our viewers about the partners that we have at EV Dunya?
So right now we are associated with a company called Charge and Go. So it's a franchise model where they set up a charging infrastructure, and we are coming up with an e-commerce website. We have launched an e-commerce website also.
That's excellent, Arjun. Thank you for telling that. So now, considering the services that you provide like brand promotion and consulting, as well as the e-commerce platform that you just mentioned, so how can brands associate with EV Dunya? How can they list their products on the e-commerce platform?
So I'll explain about My EV Mall. So the e-commerce website which I talked about. So My EV Mall, its name is My EV Mall. So it's a e-commerce platform, and it will be India's first e-commerce platform which will be dedicated to EV industry only. So there people will get to see various kinds of electric bikes, electric vehicles, charging stations, batteries, EV components as well. So the website is live as of now, and the product will be listed in few months. If you are a company or if you are a buyer, seller, distributor or a sales partner, and you want to sell your product on our website myevmall.com, you can go to the contact us section, or you can drop us a mail on arjun@evdunya.com, or you can directly call us on 914-5500-888.
Excellent. Thanks, Arjun. So for brands who want to list their products on My EV Mall, you can reach out to us via the sources Arjun said, along with the details of your products, and we'll do the listing for you. Thank you for your time today, Arjun.